Hi class 4 and 5. Welcome back to which class? Abacus class. How are you all? Keeping well? Good. Now listen to me. We have already started with combination formula, addition. Now we have already completed combination formula, addition part. So we will move to subtraction part. But I am not going to start today. Today I will revise thoroughly all the formulas. Now in combination, when we were doing combination, what we have learnt, we have seen plus 9, plus 8, plus 7, plus 6. Only 4 formulas are there. Okay? No need to see this. You look at me and listen. Plus 9, plus 8, plus 7 and plus 6. So when we are talking about combination formula, these 4 numbers are only there for us. Now, you need to understand, out of these 4 formulas or 4 numbers, where small friend we can add, there only we are getting this combination formula with big friend. Okay. So my 9, when plus 9 I am doing, my plus 9 formula is big friend minus 1 plus 10. Simple. But when I am not getting that in my scale, what am I going to do? There I am using both. This one is there, big friend is there. But in big friend when I check, minus 1 is there. So minus 1 itself is having a particular formula called what? Minus 1 plus 4 minus 5. So I will change this, convert this. I am just converting this into plus 4 minus 1. And when plus 10 is there, why will I remove this? It is already there. So plus 4 minus 5 plus 10. That becomes my formula. And because it is combined, so it is called combination formula. When I talk about plus 8, what I am doing? Plus 8 means minus 2 plus 10. Simple, big friend formula I know. Now, this big friend formula, minus 2, when my scale is not giving me minus 2, but I have to do. There is no other option. What I do? I apply small friend with it, means plus 3 minus 5. And plus 10 is already there. I cannot remove that. So, just converting minus 2 to plus 3 minus 5 plus 10 I am adding on. In this way, these 4 formulas move on. Okay. So, based on these formulas, we have done few sums which I will also do right now. Okay.St check. Say suppose 5, 9 minus 4, 3. How I am going to do? 5, direct possible. Now says 9. Focus here. 9. What is my 9 formula? Minus 1 plus 10. Can I do? First you focus. Minus 1 plus 10 is there. It's not there. So what am I going to do? I know minus 1 is having another formula. What is that formula? Plus 4 minus 5. But my 10 is still left. So I need to add that. Clear? Next. Minus 4. Direct possible. Plus 3, direct possible. Your answer is 1, 3, 13. Children, clear abacus. You need to keep in mind, now you are in 4 and 5, both the classes I am telling you. Now, you have crossed how many levels? You have done direct, then you did small friend, then you move to big friend. Now you are doing combination. So, when you are doing combination, it doesn't mean you will leave this 3. Okay, these 3 are already there with you. This is added. This is new. So when you move from one class to another, your friends are already there with you. Just an example, when you move from 1 to 2, all the friends were there with you. Only in 2, few new friends joined you up. But rest are not, they are leaving you and they are not going. They are already there with you. When you move from 2 to 3, your 1's friend, your class 2's friend moves 2, 2, 3. But in 3 you are getting new friend. So 1, 2 is already there. Then only you are getting new friend in class 3. Same. Your big friend, your small friend, your direct, everything is there with you. Only combination is adding up. It's not that I will leave this 3 and then I will get this. Only combination I will do. No. You will get in this combination part all the formulas. You will get small friend, you will get big friend, and then you will get the combination. Clear? Next. So you need to understand. So I am saying all these things to you. Once the concept is clear to you, you can just fly high in the sky. Okay. Next. 5, 2, minus 1, 8. How I will do? 5 direct possible. 2 direct possible. Then what I said? Minus 1 direct possible. 8. Just 8 formula, small friend is not there. 8 formula, big friend is there. What is 8 formula? Minus 2 plus 10. Minus 2, not giving me. Scale is not giving me. So I'll change the pattern just simply. Minus 2 I know. The formula says plus 3 minus 5. I'll do that. It's there. And I will add 10. Done. My answer says 14. Okay? Clear about this. Keep this in mind. Whenever my scale will say that big friend I can't do, I will just switch to small friend and with my big friend I will give the answer. Clear? Next. 8 minus 2, 8, 2. Okay, interesting. 8 direct minus 2 direct. Again 8. Small friend, no formula. Big friend, not possible. Minus 2, I can't do. So what I will do, I will change minus 2 to plus 3 minus 5. And my 10 is still left. Done. 8 done. Now I will do 2. Again 2 means, what is the formula? Direct means, direct is not possible. So plus 5 minus 3. Small friend I applied. See, small friend I could apply. Separately small friend I applied. So I have to move with small friend, big friend and combination. Okay. My answer is 16. Clear about this. Next. Okay. Next one. 7 minus 2 direct possible. 6. 6 now scale is not there. I mean small friend is not there only. And big friend is minus 4 plus 10. Minus 4 is also not there. But it is possible if I change it to small friend. So I changed and I have added 10. Done. Now I will do minus 4. Now children, minus 4 small friend formula I will check. What is that? Plus 1 minus 5. Plus 1 minus 5 not possible. So I will move to big friend. Big friend says minus 10 plus 6. Your answer is 7. Okay. Clear about this. Next and the last one. 8 direct possible. 6 not possible. So 6 what I will do? Small friend is not there. That means I will apply big friend. Big friend not possible. But if I change that, it is possible. So I changed and it is possible. Follow here. Next, minus 3 direct possible. Now minus 8, there is no small friend. Minus 8, big friend says done. So my answer is 3. So in this way, children, you have to apply small friend, big friend and combination, even the direct ones. Okay. And check where the formulas are needed. You will put there the formulas and solve the answer. Use your brain and do the sums, the calculations. Okay. So today till this much. Next class we will start with the new topic. Take care. Bye-bye.